Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. I haven't uploaded in a little while. I thought the perfect video for today would be a spring reset because it's finally getting nicer. The days are longer. My mood has significantly been improving. Is there a way that we can make this be all year round? Why do we have to do daylight savings? And I don't understand. My life has changed since the last time that we spoke. I got a new job. I am fully remote now. I'm working for a beverage company. If you don't know, I had a job the past 6-7 months. I started back at the beginning of August, and in this past month I just got a new job for a company called Moment, and they sell these adorable looking drinks. Like, how aesthetically pleasing are these? They have so many different flavors, and I've been really excited to show you guys. It's been really fun to work with them and be a part of this company. I really love everyone on the team and that I work with, and I'm learning so much and just having the best time. So yeah, I do a whole bunch of different things, you know, just on the marketing, advertising front. And yeah, I've just been really enjoying it. That's why I've been MIA, because I've just been getting settled into the role, especially working from home. I've been trying to get into a good routine and swing of things. That is my job life update, but it's been a minute since we've spoke. I thought it would be the perfect video to do, to come back and do a spring reset, especially just the time that we're in. And you know, I'm kind of just like trying to get back into things and can check some things off my to-do list. I want to do a couple things regarding my spring reset. I really need to clean up in here. I want to give my apartment a good clean. I did a deep clean of the bathroom this past weekend, so that's already done. My apartment needs a good clean. It could use it. I want to set some goals for April, and I want to go to Trader Joe's, get a little bit of groceries, get some flowers. I don't know. That's all for now. Let's get to it. Hey, I'm in the car now. I feel so good. There's nothing better than like deep vacuuming. Like, I don't even know if that deep cleaning, like really getting in there with the vacuum, you know, taking like the attachments and going around the edges, like under and nooks and crannies. That's what I just did. Such a good feeling. But I thought I would just run through some of my goals for April, kind of give you guys some inspiration, and I want to hear what you guys are going to be doing in April. Pick one thing that you want to focus on. It's really not attainable to just like list out even 5 goals unless they're really achievable, but like start small. Like pick 1 or 2 goals for the month that you're going to focus on. That's the way to actually make changes in your life, is to choose small things to focus on and really nail before you just like overload with everything, because that's just not sustainable. So I have 2 big goals for April. 1, no Uber Eats, Grubhub, anything. This is a huge one for me. I waste so much money ordering food. I really need to stick to the things that I've bought for the week when I grocery shop and eat those things and not waste any food, and just like eat a little bit healthier as well. So the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to delete the Uber Eats app. Done. Okay, there we go. I gotta stick to that. And then my other goal is to work out 4 to 6 times a week. So realistically, like Monday through Thursday, I can definitely get those workouts in. But if I'm able to work out like 6 times, that's great. But I really just want to try to focus on moving my body every single day. I've gotten better with that this past month, but I want to just continue being more consistent and continue focusing on it so that I don't fall off. Those are my 2 big goals for April. Let me know what what your goal is for April. Are you wanting to get to bed earlier? Are you wanting to wake up earlier? Are you wanting to make breakfast for yourself or make your coffee at home rather than going out? What are some different things that you are looking to focus on? Just give me one in the comments. I'm really curious, and I think it's helpful to have us like chat and kind of like motivate each other. I'm so excited to share with you guys my new favorite skincare brand. I'm skincare obsessed. I used to be makeup obsessed back in the day, and over the past like 2 years, I've become skincare obsessed. I could care less about makeup. I'm so into skincare. I try products all the time, really trying to rule out what ones don't work, aren't good, and then the ones that are genuinely good and that I can keep and rave about. And I was so excited to receive these products and give them a try. These products are like miracle products, especially if you're trying to achieve that like no makeup look. I love having my no makeup days where I do all my skincare and you know, my hair is either like pulled back or down, whatever, but when I do my skincare, like my full routine in the morning, and I just feel so good without makeup, it's the best feeling. And these products truly have been the best. And the best part about this is it's a 5-step routine. There's the cleansing balm. I kept all the packaging to show you guys, but I love this. I just recently started using cleansing balms and they're a game changer. If you guys have never used them, you definitely should, and I recommend this one so highly. It smells so good and it just feels so nice, and you can tell you're washing your face with something that's not stripping your skin. The second step is the balancing mist. This mist is filled with antioxidants and it smells so good. I'm gonna spray it on my face right now. That's the second step, but I also use it just throughout the day to give myself a little hydration. There's the ritual oil, which I'm such a sucker for oils. I feel like we all are, like the TikTok, you know, drop across the face. But I love oils, especially with my dry skin. Oils are so essential. This is really soothing for sensitive skin and not sensitive skin, and is just really good for clarifying tone and texture, and also has anti-aging benefits. I'd say oils are like that key product that helps me achieve that like dewy look that I love feeling like I have on my no makeup days. Fourth step is the moisture rich balm. This supports collagen production and also just delivers serious hydration, giving you just like that beautiful glow. I'm obsessed with this. It's so nice. All of these products just smell so nice too. There's a different smell that good quality skincare has, like high quality skincare. If you know, you know, and Oak Essentials knows. And then step 5 is a honey mask. This is a restorative mask and it actually gives you this like long lasting tan like glow. Put it on, leave it on for 15 minutes, and then you're left with just this hydration and glow that's unmatched. It's 2023, we're not putting any more toxins on our skin, and let's all start getting our dream complexion with this clean skincare routine. I'm obsessed. It's also gonna look gorgeous on my shelves in my bathroom. The lighting's going crazy right now, but I have a code for you guys. You guys can get 15% off your first order with my code BROOKEDITUS. That's 15% off your first order at OAKESSENTIALS.com using my promo code BROOKEDITUS. Whether you're starting your skincare routine from scratch or trying to fill in the gaps, Oak Essentials gives you one less thing to worry about. Thank you so much, Oak Essentials, for sponsoring this video. You guys will be seeing their products in my videos from here on out because I'm truly obsessed with these. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on them. I got some flowers. I'm gonna make a little bouquet. I'm very excited. A little spring bouquet, and then I got a decent amount of groceries. I guess not a decent amount, but I did get, you know, some stuff. She loves flowers. She's gonna unpack and then I'll show you guys. Okay, here's everything. I guess not too much, but I just got some mozzarella. Oh shoot, I meant to get mozzarella, not Parmesan. Anyways, I got buttered chicken and rice, some hash browns, chocolate croissants, some chicken and pork soup dumplings. These are so good. I think about them every day. Then I got some gnocchi, some pepperoni, salami. I got this bottle of wine because I want to put it on my bar cart. Excuse me. Are you closing yourself in? Got some white bread, and then, oh my god, these Madeleine cookies. When I was little, my dad would go through the Starbucks line, and on like special occasions he would get me these cookies. I'm so excited to eat these. I'm gonna make my little bouquet right now though. fluffy tail. I just love her. Okay, it's like 11 p.m. right now. I'm gonna brush my teeth and take my makeup off. I'm actually breaking out. If you haven't noticed this pimple right here, then I love you because it's all I've been looking at the past like 4 days. I'm hoping it's going away, but I don't know. Side note, I really need to find a place to get my eyebrows done around me because I really hate them. I feel like I need to have someone shape them a little bit. All she ever wants is me to turn on the water for her. I don't know if you guys have been able to tell, but I got a new microphone and it's like pretty legit. It's a really big one. I actually like can't record when it's on my camera because I can't put the viewfinder up, and I just like would have no idea where I'm at in the frame if I couldn't see myself. So I like kind of set it up on the side. I'm so tired. I need to go to sleep. There's a few more things around my apartment that I could do, but I'm gonna have to push them to like the next couple days because I really need to go to sleep. I'm so tired. I'm gonna whiten my teeth real quick and wash my face, put on some pimple patches, especially on this one above my lip. So bad. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so happy to be back. I'm just feeling very good and energized and excited about life right now, which I haven't felt in a very long time. So I'm so happy to be back and to share it with you guys and to kind of get back on track, uploading videos, documenting my life, and getting into some good routines. So if there's anything that you guys want to see specifically, workout-wise, food-wise, week in my life, day in my life, shopping, questions, anything, let me know down in the comments because I'm going to be creating some content calendars for the next month. I'm so excited for April. I love April. It's my birthday month. I have a lot going on and I just can't wait. Leave me a comment so that we can chat and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to follow me on all my social media so that we can be friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!